Let's see. 25th of September 2024. Where is this fucking thing doing? Wait a second, because I can see a level that I'm interested. Okay. So we are pushing here into the weekly high. Today is Wednesday, 25th of September. Should be shorting that thing, really. Why this thing is not showing correctly? is crazy. Alright, okay. Yeah, like I said, I should be shorting that thing. But I'm not gonna be chasing anything. So market we had this here. That was overnight. What news do we have today? Today is 25th. 25th, and we have nothing much. Nothing much, really. Here was a good entry. Okay. Yeah, dropping. So they have sold into the liquidity. $97, $88, $87. Shorts are covering. Pretty much low resistance liquidity up to here, maybe even down here. Price opened at 790. $90.50. Let's push.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Here. Let's see if we can get back down here again. So the drop to this level. Have a first 15-minute candle. I think they should go to the bottom to collect that 15-minute candle.
Order submitted.
Okay. Because with this drop they haven't done enough damage to the downside. That's my take on that thing. They really need to pull this into that level here. Into this level here basically. That's why I will be closing to here.
Order submitted.
And keep the rest, I think. We'll see. Russell is already falling.
So just less than 10 minutes time now at the top of the hour. See the release of the US new home sales units for the month of August. Forecast 0.7 million on the prior 0.739 million, with a range of 0.75 to 0.645 million expected. The change month over month, forecast minus 5.3% on the prior 10.6%.
Well, come on, dump it. Obviously, I just need to put this, can't allow this to go against me now. Not good. Not good at all. Unfortunately, I think I'm gonna be stopped. Let's have a look on 1 minute. What this thing is doing in 1 minute. Okay. I just push it in here. Well,
Order cancelled.
fuck's sake. 700 on my hands. And now I just really fucked up the situation. But anyway, I still want to short this, so if we go higher, I'm going to short that.
Order
from
submitted.
Here, from this level.
It's in 5 minutes time now at the top of the hour. See the release of the US new home sales units. Forecast 0.7 million on the prior 0.739 million, with a range of 0.75 to 0.645 million expected. And the change month over month, forecast minus 5.3% on the prior 10.6%.
hate when this happens.
Order cancelled.
But we can bounce right now a little bit because I see the Russell got to the double bottom, and Nasdaq is trying to push higher into the highs as well because they have not sold yet. Nasdaq hasn't sold, so let's wait for Nasdaq to sell. Okay, we got Nasdaq pushing higher. Okay. All right. I want better price now. Okay, Nasdaq is pushing higher. It's not. 58. I got 2 more minutes. Well, let's see. We got the push.
One minute remaining. I'll be leading with the US new home sales units. Ten seconds. $0.716 million, $0.716 million, higher than forecast, $0.7 million. The change at
Pumping into
minus
the
4.7%,
highs.
minus 4.7%, which is lower than forecast, minus 5.3%.
We're going to continue now. We are dumping low.
US August median sale price 420,600, which is down 4.6% from August of last year.
Order submitted.
Let me try one more time. That's short. And hopefully we're gonna get down there this time. I got that 15-minute candle up there. Nasdaq is holding. This actually can go against me.
US Treasury yields rise slightly, extending their rise following the new home sales number. A 10-year up around 3.4 basis points.
No,
Order
don't
filled.
like it anymore. It's pushing higher. Should have closed it here, right? That blue line is a top from the other day. So we did push for it once.
Order submitted.
Okay, let's try one more time. Let's try one more time, because this can actually work this time.
Order submitted.
Let's see if we can get this. No.
Order cancelled.
Be good if they could drop and grab that liquidity down here, but I don't know if they're gonna do this. Maybe they won't. I'll have to take the loss. Nasdaq is pumping higher.
Order filled.
Okay. Now we sold. So maybe
Order
can I try
submitted.
one more time here. Can I get that?
Order submitted.
Okay. Maybe they just wanted to sell it up here. If we do fall, I will go pretty deep. We're talking about definitely this shelf here. Perhaps lower. Down here. Because transaction is completed. Or they sold into that. No, you never know. Maybe they have different idea. They want to push it even higher. Or they want to displace the price. That's a 97, 98, 75. Nasdaq is holding. US is holding as well. Well, let's see. silver bullet trade at 10 o'clock. It's 12 past 10. Yeah, technically speaking, this should not go higher than that. So, if we push higher, then we're gonna go up. ICT silver bullet trade. Looks like we can turn around. This could work. I mean, the first stop will be definitely here.
Order submitted.
And the second one, we don't know. Maybe even here. Maybe even here. Yeah, I think that could be a goal for the first stop. Here we go. Let's go down. Let's go down. I mean, at this point, I can't allow this to go back into my entry. I still have to give a little bit of space, to be honest. This amount of space. Come on. They bought that drop.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna add here. Pretty cheap trade, might work. And if it doesn't, that's it. It's not gonna work. Okay. It's
Order
not going
filled.
to work. It is too long. It takes too long. It sits here too long. Oh, I don't like that anymore. There will be a hope holding this. Actually, it didn't take that high. It did not take that high. It didn't take that high.
Order
I'll try one
submitted.
more time here.
Order submitted.
With 2.
Taking a look at the Fear and Greed Index, 67 out of 100 equaling greed, and the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, 59 out of 100 also equaling greed, and looking at the VIX, currently down 0.46% at 15.31.
It's at the place where it can basically go both ways. But if it goes down, my reward is much bigger than my loss. That's why. I made a mistake. I should have just closed it here. At least something. I was running 3 contracts. Should have closed at least 2. But, happens. If we break now below this low, where are you gonna go? I'm just looking at Nasdaq. Nasdaq is just holding it up there. That's the problem. Russell wants to go down. Nasdaq still holding. Dollar is at double top. But, yeah. So they didn't buy that.
At 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get our weekly EIA data.
Turning
Crude oil
around.
inventories forecast a draw of 1.43 million on the prior draw of 1.63 million, with a range of a build of 2 million to a draw of 2 million. Gasoline inventories forecast a build of 0.2 million on the prior build of 0.069 million. Distiller inventories forecast a draw of 1.192 million on the prior build of 0.125 million. Crude Cushing inventories prior a draw of 1.979 million.
Let's see. Again, pulled it up. But if I was long, I wouldn't be so. I wouldn't be that happy, to be honest. Seeing that thing.
Order
Let's go
submitted.
one more. Got 2 here.
Order submitted.
And we can keep the rest. Oh, we'll do a bit different. This
Order
time.
cancelled.
We'll do 1 here.
Order submitted.
1 here.
Order submitted.
And we'll keep the rest. Come on, dump it. Unbelievable. Well, with this drop, they haven't achieved anything because the 15-minute candle is down here and here, unless they just wanted this bit. If so, then it will go up. God damn it. They basically bounced a view up. Let's see if we get one more time to touch a view up. Why did they buy this? It's tough trade, very tough. A lot of patience. But I am committed to hold because we did take that high. A natural way would be just to sell it down here, really. To grab that yesterday's price action. To collect this thing. Oh, look at that.
At 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get our weekly EIA data. Crude oil inventories forecast a draw of 1.43 million on the prior draw of 1.63 million, with a range of a build of 2 million to a draw of 2 million. Gasoline inventories forecast a build of 0.2 million on the prior build of 0.069 million. Distiller inventories forecast a draw of 1.192 million on the prior build of 0.125 million. Crude Cushing inventories prior a draw of 1.979 million. Bear in mind that yesterday's US API crude oil stock change came in at a draw of 4.399 million.
26 past. We got 4 minutes. Here's gonna be 15 minutes. Not a lot of liquidity down here. If they hit that, they're gonna go and grab this and that. So we're gonna close one here. 3 more minutes. We'll see. Russell is a double bottom. Dollar is trying to climb back one more time up here. Let's have a look quickly. Russell and dollar on the right. That means, there we go. There she goes. Come on. Oh, for fuck's sake. Unbelievable. I just had $1,000 on my... Every time I show, what happens is... I think we're gonna go down anyway. Let's go down. Unbelievable. They went to grab that 15-minute candle. They didn't want the second one. Very, very tough trade. What is this doing on 1 minute? Bullish. It's gonna stop me out again. Oh, yeah. Maybe it will bounce off that yesterday's high, green line.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with EIA crude oil inventories.
It's gonna really go down now. If we go down, we're gonna dump it. And it's not gonna be the news. It's going to be basically price action. News is just an excuse. Liquidity is down there. Let's go. Come to Papa. Come to Papi.
The draw of 4.471 million, the draw of 4.471 million, lower than the expected draw of 1.43 million. Distillate inventories,
Order
a draw of
cancelled.
2.227 million, a
Finally,
draw of
we got paid.
2.227 million. Gasoline, a draw of 1.538 million,
That's
a
not
draw of
enough.
1.538 million, lower than the expected build of 0.2 million. Crude Cushing inventories, a build of 0.166 million, a build of 0.116 million.
Obviously, we have a little bit of resistance here. I might actually move this here. Come on. Dump it. Very, very difficult trade.
We have put out the US EIA weekly petroleum status report on the feed.
Well,
for
we
all those
tried
interested.
twice.
Fitch ratings say US banks have limited credit profile impact from the refreshed Basel III rules.
This is...
Protect your trades from macro headline risk with Financial Juice Pro. Now only $99 a year for our real-time service.
Nasdaq is filing, going down. If we break that,
We have posted the full
I
fish
have a lot
rating
of
piece
stop
on the
losses
feed for all those
basically.
interested.
I can just put the level here as well. So we take this one, okay. It's double bottom here. Can be taken. And then immediately come and click and basically pick on this one as well. And we might get served in this area with a second contract. I hate when this thing is doing that. Pretty much here and there. That's a fair value gap pretty much here. When you look at that on 15 minutes. That's the bearish fair value gap here. 1 minute. It needs to hold. Well, it's pretty much the setup. A lot of people bought here, a lot of trap longs. If we start to drop, we're gonna go. I should really sell into this. I mean, buy one back here, maybe even lower, because you can calculate that a drop measured move would be something like that. Pretty much. Or more. If we break this, that's your projection. Which pretty much, we're gonna be so close. There's a fair value gap, but you could sell into that. You could just drop into this. what's happening. Okay, they tried second time into this fair value gap, the bearish one. They have time, it's 37. So got another 8 minutes, 7 minutes. Not good. Oh, let's see if they sell that. Pop. Tick chart back above zero line. We have sold once, we have sold second time. I think what they're doing right now, they're just building short position. That's what I
Brent
want.
oil futures little changed.
That's
Down
what I want to know.
1.29%
I mean, that's what I
on
want
the
to see.
EIA report.
They just want to build. And boom, basically. Boom, bada boom. Something like that. Yeah, a fair value gap kept that price away. At least for now. So that little suggestion that we are sitting on the right side of the trade. We are sitting on the right side of the trade. I'm actually even thinking, is this the right place to take a profit? I mean, this is order block. That's liquidity. Trapped liquidity. So daily RTH. Trapped liquidity is here. So yes, you have to take that here. I'll try one more time. Oh god, I want to add into this thing, but I'm not gonna do that. I am not going to do that. I'm just gonna hold. Once they load shorts, like let's say they are loading shorts, like I said, like I'm thinking, in 4 minutes we'll have this low here as a target. Immediately after that we have this one, that one, and that one. That is something called low resistance liquidity, and market should just go through this. It just should go through that thing. We might get some crazy pop first, you know, like to take everybody out. Can happen. So I'm gonna move my yeah, I need to move my stop loss now because they can try to pop this. You know, they always do this kind of run, a sweep before the drop or before the push higher. I wanna stay on the short side because we have sold here already into these highs. So The whole buying from 2 a.m. resulted in selling up there once, twice, and then we dropped. There's no reason to go one more time higher. Plus, we haven't got any news, specific news today that could take us. Tomorrow is unemployment claims, final GDP. Fed Chair Powell is going to be speaking tomorrow as well. So, they have completed transaction up there. And we could just basically drop, just risk off trade pretty much after that. I mean, look what happened yesterday. It was similar. What was that yesterday? Yesterday, 10 o'clock. Yesterday we actually dropped and then we sold. And then we pushed it into this size. Yeah, anyway. I got to hold. We still have 15 minutes and I could accelerate to the downside pretty fast. Pretty fast. Nice pop. All the bodies are staying within fair value gap, the bearish fair value gap. On 1 minute, they never closed above. That tells you stay on the short side. So I'm staying on the short side. And now we have, what is it, 1 more minute, and we're gonna have that 15-minute candle bottom. And we have another one here, another one here. Just basically drop. Hopefully they will drop. One more try. I think I can put my stop loss back. Can also measure projection like this. So if this is one leg, this could be a second leg. Fair enough, we could just dump into that. At the moment we are trading under view up on US. Russell is above view up, but dollar is pumping higher. So dollar pumping higher, Russell above view up, but we could continue lower. Nasdaq is dropping as well. ES is a leader at the moment. Russell was the leader, but ES is, there we go. Let's just focus now, because we gotta get the move. We are going to get the move to the downside. Are we? Tough trade, very tough. But by 11 o'clock, this is London time, 11 o'clock. Yes, this is New York time. So, am I greedy here? I don't know. Is this enough to collect and start pumping higher? I don't think so. $47. Dollar still pumping higher. They might stay for another 15 minutes. Or just collapse. Yeah, let's just close one here, because the moment we hit this trapped longs, trapped shorts from yesterday, everybody's going to be getting out. So, I mean, there will be a lot of stops. Boom, 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 boom. Very fast move to the downside. Very fast move to the downside. If we start to hit the stop losses, so we could actually go a little bit lower. Look at that. 48. I think we just took this one. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Pop the stops. Don't tell me you're gonna make another rotation up. Nasdaq is about to drop. Russell is holding, but dollar is still pumping higher. There we go. Poop, 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 poop. Stops are popping. There we go. Oh shit. Why you didn't?
Order
There we
filled.
go, we got it. We got that. Okay, so we got paid. These guys, they immediately snapped the opportunity to get out shorts from yesterday. So market has to pop a little bit this on that move. But they will try one more time. Yeah. Because there's a lot of trapped longs right now up here. They're gonna be selling like crazy. And we should overrun these guys. Guess most of them, they already gave up when we were pushing higher. Plus, overnight, they had an opportunity to get out. So this is what we're talking about. This is yesterday's close. They had an opportunity to cash in yesterday. If they think, if they haven't been smoked with this move up here, they had an opportunity to get out with profit later, overnight. Well, let's see. Whew, what a pop. What a pop. Yeah, but that's what you have to expect. So now they have collected a lot of liquidity with this. Think about it like that. The bottom tick. Well, they got lucky this time. Very greedy exit. But it worked. What now? What now? I think this is some kind of reaction move to the upside. Don't see any. It's just shorts pretty much closing. Should get back down there again. Tempted to add, but this kind of moves, they need to be rebalanced. Close, that's the fair value gap here, the bullish, but I don't believe in this move up here yet. I think we just continue lower. Everything is based on that trade, on this transaction up here. this whole shorting. Even here, I was shorting because of that. I should have taken 700, 600. I was up here. But, you know. So what next? So here we had a fair value gap, right? Let's put that fair value gap here. Unfortunately, my entry is within the fair value gap. So I have to make a decision. What do I do? Do I hold? One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back into the fair value gap. That was 1,940. This is 790. So the delta is dropping on that push. So I think it was just short covering very fast. We could go high on that. Probably just, let's see how they're gonna behave here at this fair value gap for the second time, because we did use this bullish fair value gap to bounce off of it. Let's see what's gonna happen now. So far, this bearish one is holding the market. I want to see a revisit of this level. We have a 15-minute candle here, right? The top is here. It looks like they're gonna go there to take me out. The top is here. They could pop above that and drop. There's also a possibility that we're just gonna get done. Looks like this fair value is still in place. None of the bodies has been closed above. It's just wicks. Like ICT says, the wicks, they do the damage. But the body's still telling you. So we basically going down. It's 11 o'clock. Silver bullet trade has been played. Could get down there. One more time. Depends how this fair value is gonna hold now. Where's green? Give me green. Just green. Depends how this will hold. I think there's another one. Lower. I mean higher. No. That's the fair value cup. Let's test it now. Second time. What we want is just to go through, close below. And that means we're going lower. Okay. 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock in 20 seconds, and we will have this high here as a 15-minute liquidity. There is a bit of liquidity here now. Sitting above view up already. The Russell is starting to turn around. Nasdaq. Let's see. I want to play this trade to the downside. In my opinion, I could revisit this. Okay, this is view up. No, you don't see it. I have it. So I have it on trading view, but this is electronic view up. So RTH view up is above, so we are respecting that. Okay. 11:02. A silver bullet trade officially ended, but we can still get down there. Just slide down. this pop above 15-minute liquidity.
Order filled.
Okay, let's see. Let's try
Order
one more time
submitted.
once they took that liquidity. I want to see if that was just to get everybody out of the position. And should just go down right now. Right? So what they've done with this push, they took you out of the position if you were shorting, and now we can collapse. It's pretty much how you have to read that. Again, fair value gap, body, stay within. I mean, there's a danger that we can get a continuation high after that, but we could push one more time into this high somewhere and try to sell it the second time, but I still think we're gonna go lower. Especially after that push now. It has been immediately sold. I mean, they sold here. That's it. This is my last trade. If you think about it, if they're really gonna go down, we have been loading shorts since the open. 1 hour and a half of pretty much loading shorts. We had that drop where they were able to cover some of it. And now here. I mean, that pushed the drop, they were holding it. Still going up. I don't know, I think they just want to load a little bit more. Just perhaps take this liquidity as well. Bull flag. Dollar still pumping. Ooh, with this kind of a dollar, we should go down. Look at that dollar. Still pumping. With this dollar, we should go down. So, 10 past. Let's see if we're gonna go down now. Fair value gap. Bounced off of it. I mean, at this point, I need to have stop loss here, because if they were just collecting off that flag, it's a turtle soup setup, or we'll just push higher. You never know. It looks like they're buying it. Looks like they're buying it. We'll see. We will see. ICT turtle soup, but it might not be, because what they've done, they have sold here as well first. They tried second push, second time, and if we break that fair value gap now and we close below, we're opening the world of pain for bulls. A world of pain. We could dump really bad. Get down here, continue lower. We got a test now. Let's look at this fair value gap. Is it going to hold? Don't think so. This is looking thick. This is looking thick. A lot of volume here. So we already took this liquidity here, here, and here. So the only place is down there. Here. Which is not a lot of liquidity. There's zero liquidity here. The only liquidity is the trap liquidity from yesterday. Okay, this fair value gap is holding for now. Bodies are above. They could push up there, sure, and then drop. But let's see. 20 more seconds on this candle. Looks bearish as fuck. Question is, do I take my profit down here? Or I'm gonna be a greedy bastard and will look for this projection is okay, I think. 1 second leg down here. I think I'm gonna close into this projection, not into that one. But still, a fair value gap is holding. See that? Still holding. £15 past. Now we have liquidity here. Okay. Are you going to dump? Risk that I can reverse because of the 15-minute, but not a lot of liquidity. It's just, technically speaking, it's just one, a little bit here, the main one. That's not a lot as well because that was very fast. If you were long 89, that was 84, 6 point stop. 6 point stop. That would be about a bit. You'll probably put your stop loss up here. Fair value gap. Now it should be inverted. Orange. Now this should hold us down. And it does. The Nasdaq is falling. Everything is falling. Russell dollar is pumping. I mean, the recipe is there. All of that. We just switch to RTH. Here's RTH. Okay. They will try to go and grab that. Once they push through this, they'll try to grab this. What's happening here? Fair value gap. It's going to hold. You could add into that now. And I'm gonna
Order
end here.
submitted.
Let's see. Trap longs. Stop loss break even. I don't want to lose anything on this.
Chevron shuts oil production at all Gulf of Mexico platforms.
If I'm stopped, this is the end.
Just repeat, Chevron shuts in oil production at all Gulf of Mexico platforms.
Expecting price to get down there to 86 and below. 84.
Do you want Want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
Are you gonna stop me? Well, I take that.
Order filled.
Yeah. Maybe too early. Maybe should have kept it. Stay short, but you know what? That's not my time of trading. I really hope that we're going to continue here faster, but we haven't done that. And it's lunchtime soon. I can just fool around here for a very long time. This is what I'm gonna end right now, and that was a good decision. As you can see, we'll be probably gonna push into that. So, what is it, 600? Yeah, $600. On the first trade, I was 700 up, well, 680 or something. Didn't take that. But I'm pretty happy with my patience holding. We tried a couple of times. We held it. Very difficult trade. Okay, they are not doing it. The problem is the time. It's 11:24 right now, and market is kind of, we can still, this is too smooth for me, this is danger. We could just push one more time here. Dollar is still going up. Five more minutes. It's gonna go without me, I guess. They were all over this fair value gap, so this fair value gap is not important anymore. There's a new one here. When this candlestick finishes. Yeah, no. So here's another one, bearish one. Four more minutes. You can see the change in dynamic. It's very dynamic, everything till 11 o'clock, and after that it becomes a little bit, we're still very difficult trade to the downside. I think it's time to go. So I'm gonna finish this here. Drop this video. Maybe. I think it was good trading today. Unfortunate it didn't close when I had so much money on it. I don't do that. Take something off at least one or two contracts. But I was hoping for a push into this liquidity and perhaps maybe then go up. They had a different idea because they have not done that. That's why we pushed up there. They sold the second time. We held it through this thing. Got out with one here, second one here, and then we got out here with the third one. And yeah, another one. But didn't make money on the second ed. Yeah, I think I had here, we closed out there. Yeah, I mean, this will probably, most likely, go down there. The problem is we have trapped short from here, from yesterday. And every time we drop down here, they're gonna be getting out. I mean, first time was a nice push. Second time, it will be still probably some reaction. But most likely third time, there will be nobody who was trapped anymore here, and they will get out. And the market will be able to continue lower. Because we have a lot of trapped longs up there. Just look at this volume here. This whole volume. From here up there, these are trapped longs who jumped on that move from the open. Yeah, look at that, market is dropping. Sliding down. Yeah, I think we got out a little bit too early. There was an opportunity to make more money on this move. And we played that liquidity already. We have this one here. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow.